Hello and welcome back. In this video we will see how to find the midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points. So this is mathematics 9th class exercise number 7.1. So these are the 2 points with A 3 1 and B 4 into minus 1. First of all should know that for A point 3 is x1 and 1 is y1, and for B point 4 is x2 and minus 1 is y2. So for midpoint of line segment, we know a formula. So this midpoint, for example, represented by m, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula for midpoint. Now midpoint will be calculated as x1 we have 3, x2 we have 4 divided by 2, y1 we have 1, and this is minus 1. So 3 plus 4 7 divided by 2, 1 minus 1 0 divided by 2. Midpoint is equal to 7 by 2 and 0. So we can write 3.5 or 0. So this is the solution of finding the midpoint of a line segment by using the formula of x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y1 y2 divided by 2. So in this way we can find the midpoint of a line segment. So we will follow another problem in which we have another question in which we have a is minus 1 3 and b is minus 4 minus 2. So very simple, following the above principle, m into x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, we will find minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2, 3 minus 2 divided by 2. This will become minus 5 by 2 and this will become 1 by 2. So this is the solution of the next problem, next question. So in this video we have discussed two problems, question number 1 and question number 2, to find the midpoint of a line segment joining the 2 points. So we can see if this is a line and this is the A point and this is the B point and C is the midpoint. So this we have coordinate x1 y1 and this we have coordinate x2 and y2. So for middle point, for midpoint, we have formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So in this way we can find the midpoint of any line segment joining the 2 points. Thank you for watching.